have with us Professor Dhaval Mehta, sir. So quickly, I'll just give an introduction of one of the immense personality which is with us today. Now, Dr. Dhaval Mehta is doctorate in management and currently working as an assistant professor, Department of Business and Industrial Management, Veer Narmad South, Gujarat University, Surat. Sir has 20 years of postgraduate teaching and research experience. Sir has presented and published 40 research papers in national and international conferences. He has been the key resource persons for the research methodology workshops organized at various levels, including NITs. Sir has also published book on data analysis using Minitab software and statistical analysis using R software. Machine learning using R. This is one of the book also for data analysis. He has organized various faculty development programs on data analysis using SPSS, AMOS, Minitab, eViews, R software, RRattle, GretL, MATLAB, Design Expert, Tora, Atlas.ti, Orange, IBM Watson Predictive Analysis, Predictive Analytics, RapidMiner, Python using Jupyter, Smart PLS, qualitative data analysis using NVIVO, Tableau, Power BI, etc. More than 10,000 faculties have been trained by Sir for various research softwares. So, Sir, with such a expertise in, so much expertise in data analytics, which is one of the major topic which we have been covering in this workshop, is the personality is with us. So thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation. And over to you, sir.
Okay, before I start the session, can these participants chat with me in the chat box? Are they allowed to do that?
Yes, sir. Even they can unmute themselves and then they can ask query also.
So there are only 19 participants on board, which I can see, or they are...
Yeah. Actually, sir, what happens, most of them are faculties in engineering colleges, and some of them are, some PG students. So might be gradually, sir, because they are in office. So the strength will keep on increasing as the session go on.
Right.
So
Okay.
in the meantime, we are sending the mails also that the session has already started.
Right. How many of you have downloaded Power BI? Just write down in the chat box, done. How many of you have downloaded Power BI? No, Sandeep Kumar has not done it. Okay. Anybody else? Swati Puswale has done it. Okay. Ma'am had sent you the message. Priyanka ma'am has done. Anybody else? No, you, how much time does it take? Anybody can tell me how much time does it take to load it? Can anybody unmute and tell me how much time does it take to unmute, to load it? Fine, it's very pretty simple. You have to go here. It is completely free. You write down download. Meantime, till my session is, I'll cover 15 minutes theoretical session because it is necessary, and after that I'll start that. You just write down download Power BI desktop. You go here and download the personal mode from here. And there is there is also one video file which has been sent to you. Please refer that video file. It is very easy. Installation will not take more than 4-5 minutes. So please complete it. There is a video file also which has been sent to you. Okay. I'm sorry. Are you able to see my screen?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. That's what I was thinking, that there is no, yeah. All of you go here and just write down download Power BI desktop in Google and install it from here. There is one video also which has been sent to you, or you can also download from here. There are multiple ways. Okay, this is much better. Select the language and download. This is much better. Use this. I am sending the link to you. It will not take more than 4 to 5 minutes, not more than that. That is also 4 to 5 minutes is also more. Uh, Download it. I'll start the session. So this is Power BI. So these days there are many softwares which are required for data visualization techniques, starting from R to SPSS to Excel. But this all these softwares are having some problems, or rather, so you can say some weaknesses are there in all of them, and that's the reason we have to come to the latest advanced softwares which are there. Now, if I talk about Excel, Excel requires a fully structured data. It cannot identify date and time. It cannot identify latitude and longitude. It cannot be integrated with other platforms like Java and Hadoop. It cannot do visualizations. It can only work on static data. For example, if there is a dynamic data in the sense that the data is changing every hour or every second, and I want to say that my graphs should change immediately. All that facilities are not there in Excel, and that's the reason we have to come here. Now, this Power BI is composed of four components, that is Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View, and Power BI services. So basically, Power Query is it's an extraction, transformation, and loading tool. If you want to convert the existing data, we want to transform it, we want to subset it, then we use a Power Query. Power Pivot, if we want to do any modeling in this, then we use Power Pivot. Power View is just like your dashboards. We can see it. It will give you a data visualization canvas. That's a Power View. And Power BI services are the integrated analytics service by Microsoft. Most of the times we are only using Power View, Power Pivot. Power Query depends that you want to transform your data or you don't want to transform it. Now, the data is fed into the Power BI desktop and we can publish it. Either we can upload the reports, we can create the dashboard, you can ask the questions, or you can share it this way. And the sharing can be done on the desktop, or you can also share the mobile apps. So it is having a flexibility that the entire thing which you have generated, it can be saved in the mobile format also, and it can give you a very nice feature in mobile. So all of you, now are you ready? Please say yes or no. uh, have you installed Power BI? Those who are left out, quickly. I'm sending you one data file so that you can be with me on board. Is there any facility by which I can send the data file, Priyanka ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Is there any facility by which I can send the data file?
Mm, actually, not, sir. In this portal, we can do that because we are having the participants' email IDs.
No, no. In this portal, can I share anywhere? Because it is not showing me anywhere that I can.
No, no, in that way, sir, you can do in that because this is an application sharing, no? Might be you are sharing your PPT and then you can share your whole computer in that way. What we do in Zoom.
No, no. I want to share the data file. Sandeep Kumarji, can you explain from where to go? I want to share my data file with you all. How can
In
I
that
share?
case, sir, might be some
Sir,
Google Drive
select
link.
share menu. Yeah, fine. Good. Then what to do? Control Shift D. No, I'm not saying that way. I want to say that I want to share this thing in the chat box. I want to send it to you. I want to send it to you.
So then in that case, you give that file, no? Matlab, like it is a doc file or something else, sir?
Okay, I'll send it to you, ma'am. You are having an email, no?
Of the participants I'm having.
Yeah, I'm just sending it to you. Send. File is there on your system, ma'am. Please, can you pick up that file?
Okay. You mailed me, sir?
Yeah, I have mailed it to you.
Right now, I not got. Not received.
Is it there? Check, ma'am.
So you sent me at the same ID, no? Priyanka.csc.
Is it there now?
I'm checking, sir. Wait a minute. Yeah, I think that, yeah, it is here now.
Yeah,
Uh,
please send this, no?
okay.
Participants, please take this file and have
Is
a
it
feel of, yeah, Superstore.
superstone.csv, sir?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm doing so.
Step 1, in the meeting in the window, select file transfer. The file transfer window appears. Step 2, select share file. The open dialog. In step 1, in the meeting window, where is the meeting window?
Excuse me, sir. Just there is a file option given, right?
Huh?
File option. Uh, in the new box, there is a file option. Just in the top of the WebEx, there is a file option. So if you're the host, then you might have file of the transfer function.
Anyway, I have sent it to you.
Okay.
Okay, all of you have downloaded the file. Say yes or no now. You should be having two things, the software and the file. Take your time, don't worry.
I sent it at all email
It's okay.
IDs.
It's okay. It's fine. Fine. They will be able to do it. Good, Rakesh Gejar. So all of you activate the Power BI and get ready. And there should be a data file which has been sent by ma'am, Priyanka ma'am, to you. Download that also. Those who have cleared that they are having this software also, Power BI and dataset, please write down in the chat box done. Please write down in the chat box done that they are ready, they are clear. And those who feel that they want to still wait, they can write down wait, done, done. Sandeep Kumar is clear, Rakesh K. Jat is clear. Anybody else? Only two people are participating. I want all of them to participate so that you can learn more from it. Saurav Sarkar, yeah, Saurav Sarkar is, yes, Saurav Sarkar ji, we are waiting for you, don't worry. Yeah, Bhogi Chandani also says that, yeah, wait. Saurav Sarkar ji, when you give a green signal, and Bhogi Chandani ji, when you give the green signal, we will be able to proceed. Saurav Sarkar ji has given the green signal. Now who else? Fine. I'm sharing a screen. Please activate your Power BI. The Power BI should look like this. Are you able to see this Power BI? Write down in chat box yes or no. Yes? Are you able to see this? I want the answer for all of you, from all of you. A small yes means I
Yes, sir.
am. Don't speak. Just write down in chat box. That is the only I expect from you, because then only I will be able to understand should I proceed or not. And everybody should write. Right. Now you will follow my instructions which are there in the PPT, and anywhere if you miss, you will tell me. Okay, my PPTs has been designed in this way only. So from where you have to go, just click on get data and click on more. You will be able to import 99 data sources which are there. You can import your file from 99 data sources. Is it clear? Is it clear? Cancel it. Cancel it. Come back here. And now again go in data. Get CSV file. The CSV file which is there, get it. And browse that Superstore file which I have sent to you, which Priyanka ma'am has sent to you. Browse it. Click open. Done. Anybody who wants please, I'm monitoring the chat box. Anybody who wants to wait, shall I proceed? Okay, nobody wants to wait. We will proceed. Fine. When this window appears, just press load. Load. And the data file will get loaded this side. See here. See my cursor. Done. Now I want to see what are the variables which are loaded here. Just right click and you will see all the variables which are there. Are you getting it? Say yes or no in the chat box. Yes? Only Sandeep Kumar ji, Sandeep Kumar ji is able to do it. Rajesh K. Jhat is also be able to do it. Saurav Sarkar ji is also able to do it. 3, 4. Come on. Others, quick. 5. Good. Still more. Only 5? Anybody facing a problem? Okay, no problem. Now we want to have some charting from here. So what I can do is, there are 3 hidden panes which are there: filters, visualizations, and fields. When you will expand it, you will come to know that there is filters, visualizations, and fields. At present, we are not going to use the filters because It is just a 2 hour session. Normally, to train Power BI, it requires 7 day sessions and 20 contact hours are required. So I'll give you a basic features which are there, right? So just click on stacked column chart here, and after clicking it, just drag it and drop it here. Done. Say yes or no in the chat box. Feel free to share with me any problem if you are having any problem. Okay, and don't worry about the time. Done. At least write done. Done. Anybody else who is able to do it? Repeat, please. Sure, sure. Why not? Let's go back. Let's go back. Those who have missed the train, again, the train is coming for you. And this time, please don't miss the train, right? You are going to import your data from here. Get data, text CSV format from here. Click and activate the Superstore. Open. Now, normally we don't use the transform data. I had already told about this thing that the Power Query, as soon as you click on transform data, the Power Query will get activated. And we don't want Power Query here, right? So we say load. And after loading it, on the right hand side, the data set will appear. But it will not show me which are the variables in it. So just click on this arrow and the variables will be appearing. See this? Okay, now what you have to do is you have to click on this text column chart, and after clicking it, take your cursor here and drop it. Slowly drop it, and the chart will appear. But you will not get any chart here because at present you have not feed it into the mechanism of the software that what are the axes which you want to have here. So what I'll do is I'll drop segment here. Make sure in axis the segment is there, and in values the profit is there. And when you get it, just write it down done. Write down done. Got it? Got the bar chart? Please write in the chat box. Yeah, Saurav Sarkarji is able to clear it. Okay. Do you want me to show the live session? Okay, I'll show the live session. Get data, text CSV, Superstore, open. Load. Now see here, Superstore, same thing. I want to have a stacked bar chart, stacked column chart. I'll just drop it. Done. Here the chart is there, but there is nothing here. So what I'll say, I'll close this. And in axis, I want segment. So I'll drop the segment from here. And profits will be dropped in values. And I'll get the chart. See on your right hand side, sorry, left hand side. Got it? Only one person is able to get it. Please write down. Only Saurav Sarkarji has commented. Where are others? Please put some comment in the chat box. I'm waiting for it. If you put a chat box comment here, then only I'll be able to proceed. Done. Only 2 people are able to do it. 3. 4. 5. Okay, let's proceed further. Now, this chart is there. I want to maximize it. So that's a simple thing which I can do is drag and drop it. Drag it and drop it. You can just simply pull it like this. And I can activate the focus mode. This is a focus mode. I can go back to the report. I can minimize it because I want to accommodate some more charts also here. Now I'll go in formatting, which is done from here. Go in formatting. This will only get activated if your window is active. What do I mean to say? Say for example, if your cursor is here, you will not get anything. See, you will not get anything which is related to this chart. If you're clicking here to get specific aesthetics which are related to this chart, make sure that you click here, it is activated, and then you will get this. When you get this, now you are having a freedom to change some settings. So now go in x-axis on. X-axis on. Color black. Text size 14. In that only, go in title text. Profit by segment. Word wrap on. Shall I do it manually? See. X-axis. Color you can change from here. Make it black. Okay. And in this only you will go little down and title, profit by segment, and you will get it. Profit by segment. Getting it? Write down in chat box. Please write down, all of you, I request. See, it's a very small word for you. Even if you don't want to write down done, just write down D. Okay? It gives me a feeling that you are listening at least. Okay. So you have cleared this. Now let us go to the another settings which I can do from here. I can pick up the background from here. Okay, that sometimes later on we will do it. Now what else I can do? Again, go in the basic chart and now drop in legend the category. Done? Got it? Kindly respond if you are done with it. Yes, thank you, Priyanka ma'am, for prompting them. Done. Good. Good. So there are 5 to 6 active participants who are doing it. Those who are not doing it, they will get the recording from Priyanka ma'am. They can practice later on and they can use for your study or for your students. Okay, let's go there back. Now it is generating the charts like category. Now what the thing is, when you will click here, see, just click here, each and everything is active. It will only generate the things which are related to the technology. Or if you click here, so it will only highlight the charts which are related to the technology. Now if you go in data label and if you activate the data label, it will also give me the numbers. Done? Are you getting it? Okay. I hope you are all enjoying this part, enjoying the sessions. Let's move forward. Now I can flip it. Right. How can I flip it? Just click on stacked bar chart here and your graph will flip. If I want the clustered bar chart, just click on the third chart from here and everything will be clustered bar chart. So in consumer, what is the share of the furniture, the office supplies and the technology? In corporate, what is the share of furniture, office supplies and technology? Got it? Are you able to do it? Just say yes or no. Clustered column chart. Okay, let's proceed. Stacked bar chart. 100% stacked column chart. Pie chart. I'll go in formats now. From pie chart, you go in format. Okay. Go in label style. Scroll all detail labels and see things will change instantly. All detail labels. all detailed labels. Should I do it for you? Let's do it. Wherever you get confused, just okay. I will pick this thing here and I'll activate the pie chart. And here I'll say detail labels, label style. Where is it? It is in all detail labels. See this. Done? Let's proceed further now. Now remove the legend from your original format and you will get a good graph. Remove the legend which was there. There was a legend here. Remove the legend. Because of this you get a clumsy chart. Now again go in format and you can change the label position to outside and you will get this type of chart. I'm waiting for all of you. Are you able to do it? Say yes or no. Write down in chat box done. Are you able to do it? Please write in chat box. Please respond. Done. Dr. Rajendra Prasad Narne has cleared. Chandni ji has cleared. Others? Only 2 people? Okay, anywhere anybody wants to repeat, please write down in the chat box repeat. Anybody wants to repeat, please write down in chat box repeat. Anybody? Sir, it is taking so much time to load on my laptop. Okay. What it is taking so much time, Swati Pusavale? Can you talk to me? Swati.
Yes,
Swati
sir.
ji, yeah, what's the problem which you're facing, Swati ma'am?
Actually, sir, it is taking the file, but after that, it is not showing any graph or something like that. I follow the same steps that you told. I don't know what is the problem.
Okay. Can you share your screen with, I don't know, Priyanka ma'am, are they allowed to share their screen? Is it possible for them? Priyanka ma'am, are there? Okay. Can you try to share your screen, ma'am? Swati Pusavale?
Yes, yes, sir. So you need to stop your screen sharing first.
Sure.
Sir, is it visible right now?
Yeah. But I'm not getting anything.
I'm also not getting anything actually.
Yeah.
Actually,
Just
it started late because it is the file was this particular file was not opening initially. So I followed the
okay.
same steps, but I
So
don't know.
I will appoint one person for you who will guide you, right? Chandni ji,
Okay, sir.
please activate yourself and give the instruction to Swati madam what to do. Chandni ji, let's have a peer-to-peer learning. Chandni ji, activate yourself. Are you
Sir?
listening? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Please give instruction to Swati madam what to do.
Yes, sir. You just remove that stacked bar chart, that
This one?
three dot. Three dots, remove.
Okay.
Now go to
Okay.
get data.
Now data is there, ma'am. Data is already there. See,
Okay,
right
okay.
hand.
Yes, sir.
It's there. Data is there.
Now just drag and drop that stacked bar chart.
No, no, cancel. No, not from here. Stacked bar chart. Go in stacked bar chart.
First,
First one, first one, first one.
This
Pick
one?
up.
drag and drop.
Okay.
Yes, okay. Now you select. Now you drop down that superstore arrow. Right
This one?
side. Ah, yes, yes.
No, don't click on it. Just draw. Click on it.
Don't. You j-
Just click on it. Nothing to do. Click on it. Just click on it. Just click on that arrow, first arrow.
arrow. Mm.
Okay.
Now select segment. You drag and drop that segment in legend.
Axis. Axis.
Drag and
Okay.
drop. Okay.
Segment and
Segment. At present, drop segment only. Now drop profit in. Just
In
tell me
values.
in values.
In details, drag and drop category.
Where is the axis gone? Axis should be there. No, where is axis gone? Segment.
Access segment.
segment.
Drag it and drop it in. Yeah, done. Wait a minute. Let us wait for right hand side. Just a minute.
What multiple charts are there?
Yeah. Sir, if it's taking too much time, you can start because other participants are also waiting.
Sorry, ma'am.
If it is taking so much time from my side, you can start
Yeah,
because the others are also
no,
waiting.
no, don't worry. I'll share you share your AnyDesk number with me. I'll be working on your system to resolve this issue. Okay. I'll be sharing my
Okay,
number
sir.
with you. I'll be working on your
Okay.
system by AnyDesk. Okay.
Okay, sir. Just a minute, I will stop sharing from here.
Yeah. Is it visible? My PPT is visible.
Not yet, sir.
Is my PPT visible? Hello. Is my PPT visible?
No, sir.
No, no, sir.
No, sir.
How come? How come? Now you see, you must be all at present here in this pie chart. Now do one thing. Just click on donut chart and immediately it will convert into donut chart. Check it. Now you can go in the formatting and you can change the inner radius. Just scroll it and you'll be able to see that how you can change the inner radius of the donuts. You can click on tree map and you will get this type of chart. Done. Write down in chat box. Yeah, not yet. Yes, Mr. Dinesh Behre, what's the problem which you're facing? Yes, Mr. Dinesh Behre, can I help you in any way, Mr. Dinesh? Are you getting it? Write down in chat box. Please write something. Where are you all? Are you getting donuts or not? Hello? Nobody is listening. Are you able to get the donuts or not? Just write something in the chat box. Hello? Yeah, fine. That's what I am expecting from you. Okay, tree map is clear. Now you can click on tree map here also, and if you change this name, product name, it will give you this type of chart, product name. Okay. You can also click on the funnel chart and you will get this type of chart, funnel. If you change this group to the subcategory and values to profit, you will get this type of chart. And as soon as you clear it, this please write down done. I'm waiting for you so that I can go to the next level. Please write down done funnel chart. Now write the message done with the funnel chart. You should get this type of message. Message you will drop is done funnel chart. Okay, let me see how many are able to clear this thing. Yeah, done with the funnel chart. Only one person has cleared. Others, are you able to get the funnel chart? I had told you that you write in the chat box done with the funnel chart. Write the whole sentence. Write down done funnel chart so that I can take you to the next level. Okay. Now take a ribbon chart. Now these ribbon charts are basically talking about, normally these ribbon charts are computed when you consider one axis as your order date. Okay. Make sure that on one axis there is order date, in legend there is a category, and in values there is a profit, and the ribbon chart is active. Now activate the focus mode. So you will get the topmost are more profitable. Topmost are more profitable in the sense that when you will click here, technology. So those things which are above any other chart, they are most profitable business in that particular year or in that particular day. Right? You can also zoom the slicer from here. Go in data format, activate the zoom slider. When you will drag it and drop it, it will change. Activate, go in data format, activate the zoom slicer. Done. Got the ribbon chart? Write down. Done. Ribbon chart. Anybody facing a problem, then also write. Shall I proceed? Please write. Feel free to write that if you are facing any problem, please share with me. I will solve your problem. Done ribbon chart. Chandni, Rajesh K. Jet is able to clear it. Second. Only 2 people. Please, all of you write. Okay. Let's proceed further. Now, there is some concept of include and exclude. Right. Now you again take the stacked column chart here, right? Activate the stacked column chart. If it is active, it may be active. Now the only thing which you have to change is the axis, subcategory, the legend, segment, and values. Change this. Change this. Okay. Now do multiple selections using control key. You can select anything using that this I want to select, and right click, and it will give you the show data points as table. I'll do this thing for you. Wait. Now say for example I want to work on this data. Select, control, select, control. I want to only see these things which are related to this data. By pressing the control, I can do multiple selections. Right click, show data point as table. Right, it will give me this thing. I'll again go back to the report, and I'll say okay, select this, select this, select this, and show as a table. So it will give me show as a table. That which are these people? Who are these people? Just a minute. Now, if I go back here, back to report, and be with me. If I say only include this, the first is show data point as a table, show as a table. If I say only include this, it will give me the diagram only of these three things. Is it giving this? Check. Got it, all of you? Please write in chat box. Are you able to do include? Write down. Please write in chat box. Yes. You can also exclude it. So all these options are there. And if you want to go back, and if you don't want to do this filtering, just press Ctrl Z and you will be on the original window. Press Ctrl Z and you will be on the original window. Right? Let's proceed further from here. So this is a concept of include and exclude here. Now these are the filters which get activated on its own. Even though you have not done anything, these filters, when you say include and exclude, it will get on its own, right? So if you press Ctrl Z, and you will be able to get it. Now view data and export in CSV. So I can also click on it and show data point as table, which we have already seen. I can go from here and export this table. From where? Let's go back. I'll say 1, 2, 3. Show data point as a table. And if I'm working only on this, I can go from here and I'll say export the data, and this data will directly go into XLS or CSV format, the filtered data. Done? Clear? Write down in chat box. Please write down in the chat box. Clear? Are you able to clear this include and exclude? Yeah, once again I want to you want to repeat. Okay. Control Z. You come here. Now what I'll do is I'll do a multiple selections. 1, 2, 3. These are all random. Right click. So data point as a table. I can go here and I can say export the data, and the data will directly go into the CSV extension. Done? Okay, let's proceed further. So this is including and excluding and exporting the table. Okay, this is not necessary right now. Now I can also import the graphs here. Graphs can be brought here. So activate the graph window from here. All of you, graph. Keep that bar chart aside. How can you keep that bar chart aside? Press Ctrl Z. Okay, I'm here. That's the problem. Press Ctrl Z and scroll this and take this chart from here, map. Got the new thing that also is. Let this chart as it is. Click outside and take the new map, and you'll get the map here. That is also possible. Okay, so you'll get this chart. Now here in location, when the chart is active, enter state, and see what happens. And when you enter region and profit, see what happens. Done? Did you got this type of chart? Say yes or no. Now this type of charts are not possible in Excel, and therefore we have to come here. Got it? Write down. Are you able to do it? Just write down in the chat box. Good. Sandeep Kumar is able to clear it. Sandeep Kumar is able to clear it. 1. Others? Okay, done. Okay, fine. Good. Let's proceed further. Now, if you insert in legend the category, the pie charts will be generated. Done? Did you got the pie chart? Did you got the pie chart? Okay, let's proceed further. If you include in the size, the profits, now your pie chart will be according to the size of the profits which are there. Go into data view and just change the size, make it to the profits. Previously what it was, nothing was there. So all the pie charts were of the same size. Now if you scroll a bit and if you increase the size, in size, if you include the profits, now the pie chart will be according to that which are the areas where we are getting this profits. So if you want to interpret this thing, it can be done very well. That see all of you how it can be interpreted. We are having a big profit in this, this, and this, and the technology is doing extremely well here. And in North Dakota, things are not well. Only office we are able to do the profit, but it is only coming from office supplies, technology, and furniture. We don't have any market share here. We don't have any market share of furniture. So that's the way you interpret. You can also expand the graph by just click here and scroll the mouse and your graph will expand. Try it. Is your graph expanding? Is your graph expanding? Say yes or no in the chat box. So what is the use of tooltips drill through? That is coming. That is coming. That is coming. See, it will not be possible for me to cover everything, right? Because I'm trying my level best. Because there are how many PPTs? How many number is there? See, it is 8,900, 890, and normally we keep 7 days training session on Power BI. 7 days training session on Power BI, 7 days training session on Tableau, all the softwares like this. Now you go in format and you can change the bubbles size. Size of the bubbles can be changed from here. Okay. There's a border. First click, then only map formatting options. Okay. Here, do we want to change anything? No, not present. Now, changing the background in the maps. How you can change the background in the maps? So go in the formatting, and there is something which is known as a theme. So you can change the theme from here. That is, you can make it Arial. Done. Right down in chat box, you are able to do the Arial theme. What is the meaning of bubble size in minus? Where is it? Bubble size in minus, where is it? Where is bubble size in minus?
Can I speak?
Yeah.
Actually, sir, when you scroll down to the left, the size start value from the minus values only.
Where?
In this one only. When you scroll the size to the left of this, the maximum minus number I can see here is minus 30.
But what is it giving? I have never tried it.
Okay.
That's a new thing which I am also seeing for the first time. But if you do it minus 30, what it is giving?
Actually, when it is a minus, so the pie chart is visible inside of the map. But if I'm putting the value to the above the zero value, it actually it comes out of the map. So the map is not visible, only the pie charts are visible. That is it.
Okay, okay. Anyway, there is no such concept of minus size. You cannot have that thing, right? So normal, you should go for a reasonable size. I don't know what do I mean by minus size. Okay, change the maps to the terrain and see what you get. Aerial. Yeah. Now, if you want to change some variable status, that you feel that this variable is not categorized into the particular way, this number is talking about the postal code or postal province, and it has just taken it as a normal number. But if you, as soon as you change it as postal code, and there are many things which you can harness the power of Power BI. By specifying this thing as a postal code, definitely things will become much more smooth. Now we want the field maps. So from where I'll go, uh, just on this only you change it and you make it field maps, and things will change immediately. Make the location as state, the legend as region, and that way activate the map. Done? Got this? Please write down you have got the field map so that I can proceed further and you can learn more and more better. Yeah. Yes. Now in tooltips, which you are asking, include the profit here. Now what does this tooltips means? That when you hover your mouse anywhere there, then it will give me that what are the profits in this area, and that's the reason you have tooltips. So activate the tooltips. Done. You can see the focus mode also. You can give the color also. And how you can give the color? You go, first of all, decrease the size of this and go in the aesthetics and change the wallpaper color, and you'll be able to change the wallpaper color. First click outside, not in the graph. Click outside. and make sure that this thing is on, not this thing. This thing is on, then only the things will work. And when you are able to change the color of the wallpaper, write down in the done in the chat box, done, wallpaper changed. Yeah. Now I'm audible, all of you? Okay. Priyanka madam, are you there? No. Sandeep Kumarji, can you guide me how to send the file because I'm not able to get it? Yeah, Sandeep Kumarji, how to get it? From where to go? Tell me.
Just search in the menu, sir. There is a file option.
Menu, file option, where?
Okay, you have not installed the WebEx as a
No, I have
software.
not. No, I have not installed
Okay,
WebEx as
okay.
a
So
software.
why the option is not visible? Okay.
That option is not there.
No, no, I need to check because I have installed the software. So there is an option available. Give me some time.
Okay, meanwhile, if it takes a time, we cannot wait for it. Do one thing, all of you. It's a very simple thing which is there. You quickly type this much. Quickly. Okay, all of you quickly type this thing. Make sure that you use the correct spelling. Is the geocode file visible? All of you. Is my file visible? Hello. Is my file visible? Okay. Just quickly type this thing in Excel. When you are through to this, when you are ready with this Excel sheet, please write down Excel sheet completed, because there are many yes, yes, yes. I will not be able to understand which yes it is. Write down Excel completed. Yeah, data entry completed. This is you have to do it in Excel. Only one person is able to clear it, Rajesh Kejat. Others, please write down quickly. Okay, now save this Excel file as whatever name you want, but if it is possible to save it as geocode, save this file as geocode, XLS file. Save this. Okay, now go here and make sure that your file is not working. In the sense, close the Excel file which is there, geocode. Please close that file. Now come into your Power BI, get data, Excel workbook. Get the data, Power Excel workbook. Now fetch the data from geocode here and directly say load. Okay, directly say load. Now you will not highlight any charts, nothing you will highlight, just drop cities in the canvas. Just drop cities in the canvas. Did you get this on your own? Check it. Did you got the graph of India? It will identify on its own everything. You got it or not? Just write down in the chat box that you got the graph of India. Got it? Okay. So there is a graph of India which is there. What I can do is I can even drop the sales in the size here, and I'll get the appropriate chart. Just drop the sales in the size and the bubbles will be formed according to that thing. Try it, you're getting it or not. Now if you want to enter the data manually, that's also possible. You can do it directly here. Use plus sign to increase rows and column. Now let's do create simple tables. Creating a simple table. Create create the new visualization, creating the simple table. How you can do? Go in tables. Go in tables. If you want to save the previous thing, and you see one thing, if you want to save all your previous work, what you will do? You want to save this, suppose. So, and the space is less here. So you can press plus sign and page 2 will appear. So now you can work on another page. That is also possible. Full flexibility is there. Now here, select the table. Now you can drop here the subcategories, the quantity, the profit, and the sales. There are two methods in which the chart will be done. Be with me. See, the table is here. I am selecting the table, I am dropping it. Either I can pick up the variable from here, subcategory, and drop it here, 1. Then I can say include profit, drag it and drop it, profit will come. Quantity, drag it and drop it, quantity will come. Or I can drop here also. There are two methods. Just check it. Are you able to get it? Okay, selected the table. Done. Now what you can do with this table? There are many things. Now you go in aesthetics. In general, in style, make the rows flashy. Make the rows flashy. Done. Are you getting flashy rows? Please write down the table. You are getting the flashy rows. Only one person. There are others. In those slides, I don't. This is author's PPT, and I have created many slides, and therefore I don't share the slides. Recordings are available with you. You can keep the recordings with yourself. Ma'am will provide you a recording. You can go in column headers and you can change the background. And you can change the total label and the font color, and you can get much nice. You can get the charts which are in much nice presentable formats, tables which are in much better presentable format. Okay, let's proceed further. Now click on header to arrange the values in ascending or descending order. Just click on it. And the things will be arranged in, okay? This all things you can do it later on. Now you can go in this vertical grid and you can activate the vertical grids also. Done. Now there is something which is known as a conditional formatting. I am giving some conditions here. So click outside and revert to default. Advanced controls can be activated from here. Background color and advanced conditional. In conditional formatting, sales, background color, click on, and it will show the shaded portion that in which category you are getting a good sales. The shade will show that how much is your profits. Shade. Are you able to do shading? Write down. Please write down in the chat box that are you able to do the shading or not. Do you want to see the PPT? Where is it? From where you can go? From conditional formatting, in table only, in conditional formatting, activate the sales. You must be in the sales window and the background color should be highlighted. And it will give you this shading. That according to the profits, the shadings will be given. From A to Dhaval Mehta. No. Who is A? Who is A? What? I'm not able to get it. Who is A? Right. Now click on advanced formatting. From here only, click on advanced controls here and you will get this. Make the settings like this: minimum lowest value, maximum lowest value, all these things, and color scale. Click OK and you can get this type of things also. This is also possible. You can do quantity and font color. Now I don't want background color. I want the font color to be changed according to the quantity. So in quantity, I have activated the font color and the font color will change. Dark the font color, positive. More the quantity. Okay, I can go in profits. And in profits, I can see the data bars, activate the data bars, and it will give me the data bars. I can again go in advanced controls, and there are some changes which I can make. Icons, rules. If value is greater than or equal to, I can say red. If your value is greater than or equal to or is less than 67% uppers, this all we can do. And when I click on it, I can get such types of icons also. So this is conditional formatting rules which will work, right? Are you able to clear this? Are you able to get these bars? Say yes or no. When you click on this, these bars will be in the ascending or descending. Write down, are you getting ascending or descending? Please write down in chat box. Did you got ascending or descending? Please write down in chat box. At least write something in the chat box. Are you getting it? Please write down in chat box. Okay. See, these are my books which are available on Amazon. But there are two books which are very recently launched. And I give training on SPSS, Amos, Minitab Design of Experiment, Jamovi, Power BI Desktop, Tableau, Adenco, R Software, R Rattle, EVUs, Gretel, Tora, all machine learning softwares including Python, R. If you are from engineering, then I give training on design of expert using Minitab. My two books are already there in the market, which you can purchase from Amazon. Just write down data analysis using R Dhaval, and it will give you the first book, which is this is a low price edition. There are two books which are there. One book is costing somewhere around 3,440. Don't purchase that book. It's a color edition. The same edition has been launched in black and white, and it is costing you 850. It is available on Amazon.in as well as .com. But if you are an Indian, buy it from Amazon.in. The brown colored book. Don't buy this book and don't buy this book, because these are all. This is a old edition. This blue one is a old edition. So go for a brown colored book. Machine learning using R Rattle is also available, right? Only one edition is there, so there is no confusion. If you want to get the notification of all my upcoming programs which are related to data science or doing research, then you can send me hello on this number, right? This number, which is at the bottom. Just send me hello. And there is one workshop, 7 days workshop, which is already coming on Power BI. Then it is coming on Tableau. There are these sessions are always there in once a month on different types of softwares, which includes R, SPSS, Jamovi, all data analysis softwares. There also include the graphical softwares like ANSYS. So that is also there. It also includes the technical analysis. So my team is most of the time I am only delivering, but there is a whole team of mine which is working. You will get the notification of upcoming programs. So send hello on this. It's my WhatsApp number. You can join me on Twitter, Facebook ID is there, and email is there. So thank you all of you. I hope you have all enjoyed the session. If there are any question answers, please ask to me. Ask to me. I'll post the number also in the WhatsApp in your. Where is it? Meeting is in progress. I'll just write down the number here. I hope you all enjoyed the session. Any questions are there? Please ask. Any questions are there? Please ask. I have posted my number. Any questions are there? Feel free to ask. Any questions are there? No? Yes, over to you, Priyanka ma'am. If she is there, if she is not there, just can you make a call there?